If your TikTok views have been low lately, like so many of us, there are a handful of mistakes that are probably contributing to that low performance, and that's what I'm going to be sharing with you guys today. What's up everyone, my name is Charissa. Welcome back to my channel where I teach you the strategies and trends that I've discovered as a social media strategist and coach to help you grow your business. A lot of people who are currently on the TikTok platform have been on the platform since its beginning in like 2020. Chances are this is you, and it was so easy to get views back then. It was so easy to just post a video and have it go viral. But now things have changed and there are a lot more people on the app, which means there's more competition and it's so much harder to post a video and go viral because TikTok is being more particular about what types of content it is pushing out to a wider audience. I've also noticed some common patterns that successful brands and creators are implementing on TikTok. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing some of the mistakes that you should avoid if you want to increase your chances of getting better reach on TikTok. The first mistake is not having a visually consistent cover image on every photo. This might seem like it's not a very big deal, but you'd be surprised how far this takes you. You should pick a consistent font, text, color of text, or one of the designs that TikTok provides for you in the platform and use that on every single video. Also remember that the words that you choose for this title, they do matter, and you want to pick something that's a hook that's going to make people want to click on your video and watch. I notice that even I'm more inclined to watch a video if I see a compelling hook and I see a compelling cover photo, compared to if I were to just see nothing, no words whatsoever, I'm probably not going to click on the video. I would also recommend to try to leave negative space in your videos when you are recording. So for example, if this were my TikTok, I can put the title here because it's not going to cover my face. Next mistake, you have to ditch the hashtag FYP, hashtag for you page, hashtag viral, etc. It's not going to work. It's not going to increase your views. It's just a waste of space. A lot of people are under the misconception that using hashtag FYP, hashtag for you page, those are going to increase your chances of getting onto the for you page. Unfortunately, I hate to break it to you, but it's not doing anything for you. I haven't checked, but I'm sure there are probably billions of videos under those hashtags, and you're just going to get lost in the sauce. They're so competitive that there's absolutely no way that your video is going to be seen. You're also doing yourself a major disservice if you choose not to use hashtags whatsoever, because then TikTok has absolutely no way of categorizing your content and knowing who to push your content out to. It's also going to be a lot harder for your niche to find you because TikTok kind of serves as a search engine. So when people type in those keywords related to your content, they won't be able to find you because you didn't use those hashtags and keywords. Also, when you choose not to use hashtags, TikTok is just going to push your content out to a random group of people that probably have absolutely nothing to do with your niche, and they probably have zero interest in what you're talking about. So be sure in every video to use your industry and niche hashtags, but also use video specific hashtags as well. The next mistake is not using fast jump cut style content, just because people on TikTok have such a short attention span, and if they're not hooked in and engaged and entertained in the first like 3 to 5 seconds, they're just gonna scroll right past your video and find the next thing. It's okay to post casual talking, storytelling style videos, but it's still a good idea to cut out those pauses, especially if you are stopping and starting the video between your story. Cut out those filler words and pauses just so that you can keep your audience engaged and get on with the point. The next mistake is not showing your personality in your content. I can't tell you guys how many TikTok profiles I've came across where I'm interested in their video because I've seen one of their viral trending audio videos, but then I go to their page and that's literally the only thing that they post. Although there's nothing wrong with that, people do want to see your personality, and I would be so much more interested in their content and they would be much more likely to get a follow if I can just get a glimpse of their personality a little bit, maybe hear a couple of their talking videos and see what they're actually like. Trends are a really great way to stay consistent, and they're a great way to go viral even, but I wouldn't stick to just that as your strategy. And this doesn't have to be hard. There are so many unique and different ways you can do this. You can film a get ready with me, you can do a vlog, you can do a day in the life, you can stitch videos, you can duet videos, you can just do a talking video where you just sit down and chat. Don't be afraid to let people get to know you, because this is what's going to help you foster a loyal community that keeps coming back. I can give you guys so many examples of different creators that I just love to binge on TikTok because they're great at telling stories. And you don't have to be a great storyteller, but at least let people see your personality. Next one is not having a topic to consistently post about. A lot of people think that just because they have to stick to one niche and one topic, that means they're being confined and they're in a box, but that's not the case. The possibilities are literally endless when it comes to the unique ideas and videos that you can create within your niche and within your topic of content. I could bet you right now, if you went to TikTok and looked for the most popular fashion influencers on the platform, they post diverse content. They're not just posting unboxing, they're they're not just posting get ready with me. They probably post a wide variety of content within their niche while staying consistent about the topic they're sharing about. Next one is not using keywords in your videos. We talked about this with hashtags, but the same thing goes for keywords. Keywords are a way to be searchable and discoverable on social media, not just TikTok, but most social media platforms. Different places you should be using keywords include your video, the caption, closed captions, your hashtags, even in the comments. Also, if you're doing a talking video, don't forget to include keywords in the words that you're choosing in that video as well. Like I mentioned earlier, the more TikTok is able to understand your video, the easier it is for them to categorize it and push it out to the correct audience. And this last one is pretty obvious, but it's not being consistent with your posting. Make a commitment to yourself to post a certain amount of times each week and show up for yourself. It's not realistic to expect to grow your audience if you're not consistently posting. And this doesn't have to be hard either. You can hop on super easy trends that take 5 seconds to do, but also make sure to have a strategy and map out and plan out what videos you're going to make that week. That makes it so much easier to show up for yourself. As we all know, social media is constantly changing. You just have to be adaptable, just be flexible, be teachable. That's why people like me, social media coaches, are here, because we want to help you guys grow. The most important thing to remember is that just because you're posting with a strategy doesn't mean that social media can't still be fun. There are a lot of things that we can't control, especially when it comes to organic social. So don't stress about it too much, don't lose your mind, and don't fixate too much on views. I promise you, you're gonna be so much happier if you just focus on the things that you can control. Focus on the quality of your content, focus on the consistency of your content, focus on the things that you can control and not so much about what the algorithm is going to do, and you're going to be so much happier. I hope these tips were helpful for you guys to be able to show up on TikTok with more confidence and hopefully get more reach on your videos. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to tune into my last video where I talked a little bit more about TikTok strategy. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and comment any questions below. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.